Well, good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin this morning. If you haven't got a cup of coffee, get yourself a cup of coffee. I woke up this morning to a pleasant surprise here at the cabin. I thought it was coming, but I wasn't quite sure because I don't really get a weather forecast up here. But last night I went out and I looked up at the moon and it had one of those rings around it. Normally, I believe that means snow. So I got up this morning and by goodness it was snowing. So I woke up, looked out the window and it was snowing to beat the band. The cabin was pretty cold because I don't keep a fire in here at night. But it's 65 in here now, so we've warmed up quite nicely today. But it was probably, I would say, around 30 degrees in the cabin when I got up this morning. I don't keep a fire because I have a lot of blankets on my bed. And I like it cold. I like being snug as a bug in a rug in my bed. I sleep better that way. But I already had coffee, I already had breakfast, 3 eggs and toast. I made a heck of a chili last night. I'll be eating on that for 2 or 3 days. But I just thought today is going to be a day off. I might go for a hike later on. It's still pretty early in the morning. I love to get out in the hike around in snowstorms. It's hard for me to videotape it because my cameras, I've only got one camera that's waterproof, and that's one of those GoPros. But I did set the camera up a few minutes ago out front of the cabin so you could see the cabin getting a snowstorm. I have had this dog sled for 30 years. I've used it for everything from skis under a fish house. I've cut it down, built it up, cut it down, built it up. Well, I've built it back up now to use it as a taxi. I've got several people that want to go ice fishing this winter, so this will be their ride. We'll call it Papa Tom's Taxi. They'll either be able to sit inside like a seat. I have a cushion for it with the back, or stand on the back, whichever's more comfortable. We'll be able to transport at least 2 people. I have a older fella and his nephew that would like to go out to the fish house. So we can put 2 people, one inside and one on the back, and head right out to the fish house. So I think what I'm going to do now is try to get my hands onto some kind of sign that says taxi. Maybe we'll even have one built up. Papa Tom's Taxi. I guess I am not done with flat tires on the tractor this year. I got up this morning and the front tire was flat. Oh, I've got that off the tractor, taking it to the shop, and I'll haul it back up next trip with a brand new tire. Before you know it, I'll be all the way around the tractor. There you go. I was fishing today with dead suckers about 8 inches long. This guy weighs 8 pounds, a little over 8 pounds. Yeah. Up close and personal. Shoot. Look how pretty he is. Big tail. He's starting to freeze up. If I don't see you again, I'll see you next week. The fishing was great.